Welcome to another episode of West Coast Masters. Today we're going to teach you how to change your air filter and your cabin filter on a Mustang. Technician of the day, Louie. Louie, break it down for him.
Before you start, make sure you have all the proper tools that you need. For this Mustang, you're going to need a T20 Torx driver, a 7mm socket, air filter, and cabin filter. First step, open your passenger door, locate your glove box compartment. Look inside your glove box compartment. Take the T20 screw, unscrew it, and remove the panel. The cabin filters are usually behind the glove compartment. Check your manual for specific locations. Unclip the cabin filter and remove the dirty one. Replace the new cabin filter. Reinstall the back panel. The screw is a T20. Screw it until it's hand tight. Close the glove box and you're ready to move to under the hood. Locate your hood latch and release and open the hood. Locate your air intake. Unlatch the intake filter clips. Some older vehicles have screws. Open the intake cover. Remove the old filter and replace it with the new filter. Close the intake cover, attach the clips, and tighten the fasteners back on. And you're ready to roll.
Hopefully that helped you out and it's easy for you to change your filters at home. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of West Coast Masters. I'm Ryan Friedlinghaus, signing out.